Alright guys, it is your buddy here. So today we are doing a review of Welo Kids Probiotic granola bars. These are on sale, so I picked them up. And if you look at them, they're peanut free, and they're also, go up here, they actually advertise they are dairy free. So that's why I picked them up. Of course, they're also on sale. So here's the back panel if you guys want to read that. Pause the video. This is the mixed berry one, and we're going to do a quick taste test today. That is French, and there we go. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so if you look at it, they are super small. Okay, so here's my hand. They're actually not that big. So almost like way smaller than a regular granola bar. So let's open this up. Okay, so that's what they look like. So they're chewy. Taste-wise, they are has a mild berry flavor to it, and it's really not sweet at all. There's like no sugar whatsoever in this thing, so it's very low in sugar. It's not sweet. If you look here, sugar is 2 grams. Yeah, it's not sweet at all. So it has a mildly hinted berry taste to it. Soft, not bad, and it tastes like a regular granola bar, but it's softer. So, alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.